Certainly. If you're looking to create YouTube content without showing your face in 2024, there are still plenty of options available to you. Here are a few ideas. 1. Voiceover videos. Consider creating videos where you provide narration or commentary over visuals or animations. This way, your audience can focus on the content you're presenting rather than your face. 2. Tutorial or informational videos. Share your expertise on a particular subject by creating tutorial or informational videos. You can use screen recording software to showcase your knowledge or share slides and visuals to enhance the content. 3. Animated videos. Utilize animation software or hire animators to create engaging and visually appealing videos. This way, you can convey your message effectively without needing to show your face. 4. Product reviews and unboxings. Share your thoughts and opinions on various products without the need to be on camera. Focus on providing valuable insights and detailed descriptions for your audience. 5. Gameplay videos. If you enjoy gaming, consider creating content around it. Showcase your gameplay and provide commentary, tutorials, or reviews without revealing your face.